I'm recording this video because I had G.Electric come out May 26th to fix. I was hoping the wiring in my house, because all the wiring is very old. My house is probably 60 years old, and I've had flickering lights and lights that quit working. My kitchen and my carport were the main ones I wanted fixed, and plus this, my bathroom. They came out, all they did was put new light bulbs in the carport, which still will flicker occasionally, and sometimes it's on. So that's just kind of off and on, which I have heard could be a fire hazard. This bathroom light, as you see, I have to have a lamp in here to see when me or my family comes in to use the restroom. I've tried several light bulbs. When you turn it all the way so that it's tight, it will flicker. Other times, it just won't stay on. So we basically have to have a lamp in order to see when we use the restroom to shower or whatever else we need to do. So I got charged $385. I only paid half of it because I was very upset, and I just need this documented because this is not right. And this is a fire hazard, so I was told by the city just to keep that light shut off.